everyone, welcome back to another episode of Fashion Beauty Wine. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Crystal, and in today's video I'm gonna be trying out, drumroll please, Uoma Beauty. Yay! So I discovered Uoma Beauty after going through Trendmove's page and seeing a little teaser on the new beauty brand, and I fell in love with it instantly. Now, after doing a little bit of research, I found out that Ulta was working in partner with Uoma Beauty to help launch the brand in addition to the brand itself on their website. So initially I was like, what is this brand? Why haven't I seen it? And where did it come from? And then after doing a little bit of research, I saw what I liked. First of all, the brand was colorful and vibrant, and it was, gonna be like this innovative new brand. And then after doing a little bit more research, I found out that the brand founder is a Black woman, and she's Nigerian born, London based, and that she was a beauty executive. So her name is Sharon Chutar. And never have you heard of a beauty brand launching, but not only launching, but launching in Ulta Beauty. So I was just like, there has to be something special about this brand. So Uoma Beauty launched over 151 products, foundations, concealers, 2-in-1 scope sticks, and they launched 3 different eyeshadow palettes. Oh my God, totally in love with them all. Now, my favorite eyeshadow palette that I will be featuring in this video was the Black Magic palette. The Black Magic palette has 10 shades. The first color is Black Magic, then Fierce, Shetor, Savage, Lightning, Storm, Black Y'all, Foxy, Warrior, and I think you say Kuya. So those are all of the colors that they have in the palette. And then as far as lipstick goes, I purchased Angela, and then I purchased the Passion lip gloss along with the color Brown Sugar T1N, and then the 2-in-1 scope stick number 3, which contains a highlighter and then a contour stick. I also purchased the concealer in the color Brown Sugar T2, and those were all of the items that I purchased. So the look that I came up with is the look that you see me wearing right now. And because this collection is so vibrant, I wanted to make sure that I was in a setting where it actually set the mood and gave you colorful and vibrant. So when I look at this brand, I just feel like I am on a summer vacation. You hear all of the drums and vibrant and loud music of Africa. And so I really wanted to capture that. Now, if you all want to see how I got this look and what I thought about these products, then stick around and keep watching the rest of this video. Okay, so the first thing that I did was to conceal my eyes and blend that in. I'll fill in my eyebrows off camera, and then we will go back to the makeup look. Okay, so now that I have the eyebrows done, the first thing that I'm gonna do is dip into the color Foxy. That's gonna be my transition color. So I'm gonna place that on the top of my eyelid and blend that out. The next thing that I'm gonna do is go into Kuya. I'm gonna lightly dab into that, and then I'm gonna place that right in the crease, above the crease, and blend that into Foxy. So you should be left with the base like this. I know I kind of overdid it, but the route that I'm going, we might need to put a little extra on just to make sure that red shows up, right? Okay, so I'm a bit happy at what's going on right now. I'm gonna dip into the Black Y'all, and then I'm gonna start off extremely light. Gonna start off with my outer corner, and then I'm going to blend that into the crease. I'm gonna take the color Storm, and I'm gonna pat that right in the center, all the way from the center. And I'm gonna blend that in with Black Y'all. Okay, now that it's done, and I'm a little nervous in this next part, you all, because I don't know what's been going on, but whenever I put glitter near my eyes, I have a very bad eye infection that ends up lasting for 4 days, 5 days. I just need to figure out a way to use glitter without getting an eye infection. So I I won't be keeping this makeup on for the remaining amount of my day. So I'm dipping into the color Fierce, which is a glittery color, and then I'm gonna spray that actually with my Morphe spray, and then I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eyes and bring it to the center. Then I'm gonna go into the color Lightning and place that on the inner part of my eyes and just bring that over. Oh, and that's beautiful, this lightning color. It goes on so well. And I'm gonna walk that all the way over. I'm gonna dip into the color Warrior, and then I'm gonna place that underneath. And then I'm gonna take another flat shader brush and I'm gonna dip into the color Storm. I'm gonna place that underneath. Work that out. And then I'm gonna dip into Black Y'all and put that along the waterline. Last thing I'm gonna do is take whatever is left over on my brush and from the glitter and add that to the bottom of my eye. So in foundation, I got the color Brown Sugar T1N. I've already tried it out, and unfortunately it's not my color, but we are going to work with it and make it work. It's pretty close to my color, but there wasn't an option on Ulta that let you match your shade to a previous shade that you may have with a different brand. So I just chose the color that I thought would be the closest to my skin tone. And I got pretty close, but I still don't think it's my color. Now I'm going to use the concealer in the shade Brown Sugar T2, and I'm going to place that in all of my conceal areas. And right off the back, I really love the concealer. It does have the consistency of a Tarte Shape Tape. Something that I will say about this concealer is that it dries down. Oh, you gotta be fast with it. It is drying down, and the more it's on my face, the harder it is to blend it out. Oh my God. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is dip into my 2-in-1 Uoma makeup stick. And one end has a contour color, which is for sculpting, and then the other one has a highlighter stick for strobing. Because my eyes are so dramatic, I obviously want to tone down my lips just to create a nice balance. And that works out perfectly fine for me because the lipstick that I grabbed from Uoma Beauty was the color called Angela. And Angela is a nice lighter nude color. I'll tell you right now, it has almost like a peachy undertone. It's a little bit on the darker side, but it's also like very peach. It's a cute color. The application is heaven. So buttery and smooth and velvety. Oh, it's delicious. I wish I would have gone with a lighter color. Like, for some reason, I thought this color was lighter, but you know, it works. I like it. I also was able to get a lip gloss, and I got the color Passion, which is like a neutral color brown. And I'm just gonna pop that right on top of the lips. Oh, and I'll tell you, this lip gloss goes on really cool, and then it kind of like dries down and gives you a glossy lip look, but it doesn't move. It doesn't move. Like, it doesn't like go all over your skin. And I don't think I've ever experienced a lip gloss like this. Like, this is absolutely innovative and different. I like it though, I like it. So I'm gonna come back with the full look and then let's talk. So guys, I finally really enjoyed creating this look. So far, I don't have any irritation with the glitter, and I feel like that moving forward when I use any type of glitter products, that it's probably best that I use some type of fix spray so that the glitter doesn't fly everywhere and get all of my eyes, because guys, this glitter thing has been giving me the worst eye infections. As far as Uoma Beauty goes, I absolutely love the products that they have launched. And kudos to Uoma Beauty for launching 151 different products that are Black girl friendly. We always love any type of brand that's Black girl friendly because it's just hard out there for a brown girl. Anyway, I really love the eyeshadow palette. I love the combinations that the eyeshadow palette has in them. This by far was one of my favorite palettes, and it did not disappoint. As far as the foundation goes, really love the foundation. It was velvety smooth. It went on medium to full coverage. I really had no bad things to say about it, other than the fact that there's really no way of choosing the correct color on the website, which is something I wish they would add to their website as well as Ulta's website. As far as the concealer go, initially I really loved it. But by the end, I just really liked it. And I say that because it did dry down and it was really hard for me to just kind of maneuver that through my skin. I do like the undertones. I do like the color. So other than that, I was good to go with the concealer. As far as the strobe stick go, I will say, please go in with it with a lighter hand, because if you go in with a heavy hand, it's gonna be really hard blending all of the contour color out. As it is extremely pigmented and creamy, and it's a bit on the oily side. The lip gloss, very innovative. I really love the packaging, the color. I really loved how it went onto my skin and it gave me like this cooling effect, and then it dried down to a glossy lip that actually doesn't move and run all over your lips. I think that this lip gloss will come in, especially on those hot days when you want to apply something to cool your lips down, but you don't want it running everywhere. So love this lip gloss, but it probably was one of my favorite items throughout the whole collection. As far as the lipstick go, I really love the innovation of the actual lip gloss itself. It's giving me a little bit of Fenty Beauty tease with the magnet. You see that? I love how clean it is. I love how the lipstick actually glided on my skin. It was buttery, it was smooth, it was velvety, and it was just delicious. It's probably one of my favorite creamy lipsticks that I own right now. Again, really enjoyed this line, and I hope that you have enjoyed me reviewing this line and creating this look for you. If you love this video, if you love what I had to say, if you loved my opinion, please feel free to comment all of your thoughts right down in the comment section below. Now, I want to thank you all again for joining me, for taking time out of your day to be with me. I wish you all nothing but peace, love, fashion, beauty, and wine. Bye.